And it's Friday, Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. Love that sound, man. Cheers. All right. I think it's time for a shot. What? Didn't you just have 2 shots? Yeah, but the doctor told me stick with my greens. So I got this green bottle. It's got 56 herbs in it. I figured it'd be good for me. Doctor's happy. I'm happy. Happy doc makes a night of rock. Cheers. Yes, folks. That was Jaeger. Jagermeister. All right. We have a little sip of beer here. And I know it's a little early. It's only 20 after 5. But the way that these shots are going down, I might not make it till 20 after 6. So I better do the songs now that I want to do, okay? Fooled, yeah. All right. All right, so I had a request earlier in the week to do this song. And I don't really do this song. I kind of know it from the past. Who doesn't know this song? But I mean, I've never really done it too much, you know. So it's kind of new again to me. But so hopefully, Mrs. Sharida Ladru, Shari Ladru, can enjoy the version of my song. Version. Okay, I'm trying to say version. God. All right. Anyway, this is called Free Bird. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places that we got to see. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. baby! That's it? That can't be right. Is it really that short? Anyway, if it's not that short, I'll try it again another time, but I don't know. That don't seem right. But anyway, I tried. Now take it easy, and I'll see you soon.